Okay guys, this is a couple of locks I picked up today. I bought them in Aldi's here. This is like a shutter type lock. It's Home Protector branded on it. Very simple lock. Very easy to pick. I'll just show you that it is actually locked there. Using a short hook here from the Gosso set. And there we have it. Very easy, very simple indeed. The only reason I got them is because I've never done a shutter type lock, and I haven't done a Discus type lock neither. So here's the Discus. Same again, it's made by Home Protection. Here's the key bit in there. Again, very easy lock. I haven't done one of these type locks before, so that's why I bought it as well, just to see what it's like. The only thing I did find was getting a grip on it. What I'll be using here is a small half diamond, the small one out of the Majestic set. So now I did find that the tension on this one had to be quite fierce. And there we have it. So, another 2 locks done. Thanks for watching guys. Cheers.